What are you trying to do? Get up? In your hair? You don't want it in your hair? You don't like the feel of it in your hair? Okay, let me see this real quick.
The only thing about living in Georgia is that we are not prepared for snow.
We had no idea it would actually happen.
We went from hearing about it on the news, everybody started panic buying, but we decided that, you know what? We're not even going to get caught up in the hype. Nothing is going to happen.
We were so wrong. The kids' school got shut down, the power went out, and we were not prepared.
So we did exactly what most families would do. But here's where it all started to go downhill. I decided to sneak up on Sharice and give her a taste of the snow.
Ha! I bet you didn't expect this. Stay tuned to see what happens next.
I honestly thought that they lied. Like, you know how they say it's going to be cold today and it's not? I thought they lied about the snow, so I did not shop for things yesterday. I'm like, I'm not going to panic shop. But it's literally snowing.
What are we going to eat?
Mommy, Dad,
We're going to start with Liani.
Can we go outside? Can we go put on our coats and some clothes to keep us warm? Can we go outside?
Are you trying to make a snowman? I'm going to be a snowman.
I'm so underprepared. We got no gloves. We can improvise. How are we going to improvise?
We can get blankets and then we can put it under our coats.
So what about your hands?
Look.
Carter.
And then we can put the...
Carter has a solution.
Carter literally has a solution. He's like, that's not going to stop us from playing in the snow.
Mom, we
Go
can
wake
put the
up
blankets
Bianca.
over our heads.
Go wake her up.
Come on, let's get Bianca. I ain't giggling. You look like that's not
Y'all y'all see that, people? Them door here and things in them I take picture. Oh snap, my shoes. Oh. Them door here, people. I think them I gonna take picture. Y'all can't even throw that far anyway. Where the kids at? We ready? Alright everybody. Welcome back to the Island Way channel. When you don't know already.
Welcome.
It's snowing in Atlanta, y'all. And this is really crazy, car. Look on the dog them. Grace, you not scared? Pickle's running. Pickle's really running. Grace,
Daddy, can I take off
you better not be scared.
Daddy, can I take off these because it's very hard to...
Go ahead.
Yay. What is... Yanni, snow angel?
You move. I was aiming for your head.
Yanni, it's snow angel. Yanni?
You gonna do a snow angel, mommy?
Can you do a snow angel?
Go ahead.
Yay! Snow angel time!
Hey, look at that, babe. She don't want to go in the backyard, but she gonna poop right here.
What?
Seriously, Chris?
Grace, what are you doing over here? Oh my gosh. Ew. It's snowing, y'all, and we did not expect for it to be snowing. You trying to hit mommy? Go ahead. What in the world?
You see hiding behind you?
What in the world?
Grace. Oh,
What?
wait.
How y'all got some good? Whoa! Y'all got some good aim.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I literally saw that.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Like Grace.
I'm gonna. Oh my gosh. These kids are hitting me. Oh.
Gotcha!
What? Grace is here too? I'm gonna get mommy. I'm gonna get her right now.
No! No! Hey, you don't get my
Throw it at you.
Look at Grace. I'm gonna do it.
I don't want to throw anything at you. I don't want to hit you with the snow. Whoa. Whoa.
Wait, I didn't know you was gonna do right there.
Sure is.
Watch out! Mommy! Mommy, look behind you! No! Don't close my head.
You wanna start something, you can't finish.
Grace is like,
What y'all hitting me for? How come everybody hitting me? These kids are trying to get me.
yeah!
These kids are trying to get me. These kids are trying to get me. Hey Carter, what's going on? Hey pal, come here.
Yeah, that's when you run out.
My hand's getting cold. Oh, really? I don't have no gloves on, y'all cheating. You just a sitting target.
Grace is loving this. Are y'all getting it? Yeah. Pickles is like, that's it. I am an island dog. I've had enough. Coming back? Coming back for some more? That's it.
We didn't even think Grace would actually like the snow. Grace, are you trying to eat the snow?
No.
Are you trying to eat the snow, Grace? Look at her digging the snow out. Grace. What's that doing in your head?
Whoa! Whoa! What?
These dogs love the snow, y'all.
Ah! Yanni! Sorry. Stop. Oh my god.
That was my left eye. That was my left eye.
Carter, what happened?
In my ear and in my eye. And in my shirt.
Let me get it out of your shirt. Ah. Carter got compromised.
I'm gonna take off my jacket. It has a whole bunch.
Let me see.
A whole bunch.
Hold on. Carter got compromised, y'all. Somebody had a good throw.
Kidding. That was me, Daddy.
I snowball, Grace. She didn't even stop.
Cold.
Hold on.
Not my went on lips.
Can I take off this one?
You can change your shirt.
I'm gonna take off my big coat.
Hold on. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
All right. That should work. All right.
You look at my hands frozen.
Carter got compromised at first, y'all. Did you expect it to snow like this?
Huh?
Did you expect it to snow like this?
No, I thought they were lying. You know how to say, oh, it's gonna be cold today, and then it doesn't. I thought it was one of those days.
Well, let's try.
Ooh! Oh, we can't bring the whole bin.
Oh, that's you. We gonna see what works.
Whose idea is?
Not mommy try and run.
You gonna try to slide down?
No, one of your kids. I'm too old to do that. My bones.
I want to.
You gotta get in it.
You gotta. Unless we do
All right.
the bin.
Actually, let me see.
Push me, somebody.
All right, let's get it. Put it over there.
Like more on the.
Get up real quick.
Stop. Making a snow. Eat it.
All right. Now let's see if this contraption will actually work.
You should. It's a flat surface.
All right, let me see. You ready? That's as far as you gonna go.
It ain't slippery enough. Hello. Pickles.
Uh-oh. You went in the water.
What happened?
Her pa's supposed to be frozen. She got dunked right in the water.
What's up?
We don't have the snow on the islands. Somebody trying to, like,
We're gonna have to wash this thing off.
yep.
I forgot this truck was 4-wheel drive, y'all. I don't even know what I was thinking. We don't get snow here. Don't be mad at me, y'all. I was not thinking about it at all. Then make a video.
Let the sun come.
Can I get some help?
I had boss Grace a snowball. She didn't even see.
She didn't even
She
move.
just keep eating like
She ain't,
just do it.
she ain't stuck.
She doing gymnastics.
Poopy. What?
Grace, she was eating all the ice.
No, she love it. Look. Clive, you got that? As a evidence, okay?
Yeah. Turn my turn to team.
Delete.
My
Cut that part. Cut that part.
Nah.
Where you going?
I got one.
Let's get Carter.
Carpenter video?
You missed, Eden.
Eden, you had a nice big ice.
Huh?
Hey.
Carter, who you want to get next? You want to get Leonie? Let's sneak up on her.
I'll make a bigger one. Yeah, I'm gonna make a
Come on,
bigger
Carter.
one than that.
Let's sneak up on her. Let's roll it, Carter. Come on. This is payback? What did she do?
Whoa!
At least we know we got some hot water. We all about to be rushing trying to sit. Let me get some hot water.
I don't need no hot water.
Let me build myself. Hold on.
Where's Roman? Yeah.
Grace, what you think you're doing?
I'm like, I'm enjoying it.
Mommy, Daddy, look! Mommy! Look!
Who we gonna hit with that?
Let's go pick up. Let's go come.
Babe, what's that?
Oh!
Auntie Bianca, help me!
They loving it.
We literally did not expect this, y'all. Like, so serious. I want to sneak up on Sharice, y'all. I want to get her pretty good. Let's get her pretty good, guys. I don't want to talk loud.
I was hoping she didn't bring that for me. Yeah, she will. I was hoping that Leonie didn't bring that for me.
What in the world?
Alright, cool. Go get him,
What are you doing?
Better be ready. Even Grace trying to get you.
I'm ready. Yeah. Grace, whose side are you on?
My side, right, Grace? Hide behind the bush.
You're not about to get me. Grace, what are you doing? You're not supposed to be on my side. Come on, Grace. Come on, Grace. Come on, Grace. Come on, Grace. How you running this water like you a four-wheeler?
What are you doing already?
Are we doing a snowman? Bring your set. Pickles, come on.
Leonie started it. That could be the base.
You guys ever go later when it's not do like this?
So Leonie doing the base, Eden do the middle, Carter do the head.
You about to go to work.
Oh shit, that's stick. Oh, okay.
What's up, Ian?
I gotta make
I thought the scammers were off today.
They on.
How they gonna try to get me on a snow day?
You don't know it's snowing?
Yes, they do. They watch the weather. Trust me.
Tearing that snow up.
Trust me. Where's Sharice ran off to?
Sure, Nancy. Something.
You better pull them breakers.
My one friend was like, oh, I don't have to work today. My Wi-Fi's out.
Pull them breakers.
Oh, you feel like you're fancy because your breakers are on, your Wi-Fi is down. Whoop-de-doo.
They gonna check the neighborhood. Apple gonna be like, we have a couple employees near you,
driving today.
and they're actually good. Car, that's a huge one.
I know.
That's for the snowman.
What is that? His head?
He have a big head if that was his head.
Y'all got carrots inside.
Oh,
These kids professional snow builders. Y'all even know how to build a snowman?
yes!
With the socks and
Oh,
gloves.
I forgot they some YouTubers.
Duh.
These kids been watching this stuff for so long.
Alright, Carter, what part is that? Mom told me to build a head. Okay, you got this.
There goes Pickles. Pickles, Pickles. Grace, go get Pickles.
Alright, what part are you building the base and you help?
Why y'all walking next to the poop? There is poop right there.
Not the belly, not the belly. Did you get a good video? That's what I did again. The belly. The belly. Watch your belly. Carter's a fucking monster. Get her, Eden. Come on, I'm You want to see the one Eden gave you? I got more flavor.
These folks trying to take pictures. Y'all see this? Y'all see that? Y'all see these people being violent? I didn't even do anything. Come here, kid. It's time to take these kids down. It's time to take y'all down. Come here, kid. You're next. You're next.
Don't mess it with this thing.
They almost took me down. Guess what, kids?
What happened?
It's the snow factor, man.
No way.
Go get it, Eden. Go
It's a timeout. Oh no, it's a dog trying to get me. It's a dog trying to get me.
Grace got our back.
It's a dog. It's a dog trying to get me. No, it's a pit bull. Oh, there's one kid right there. Oh wow. Hey guys. Whoa, no, it's a pit bull. And it's a mom. Oh wow. She's getting close. Where is she? Where is she, Grace? Grace, I don't see her. Whoa. 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 Okay. Okay. I give up. I'm not gonna win. I'm not gonna win like this. Okay, kids. I surrender. God.
Surrender?
Yes. Oh. I surrender.
Grace? Eden, stop.
Actually, I tricked you. Oh gosh, they were ready. Oh, what? That was a good throw. Ah, I gotta get away from this kid. Whoa, it's another kid. Oh man.
Eden's we can build a snowman.
Huh? They getting me.
Get him, Grace.
All right, guys. I surrender, guys.
What's on here?
I surrender, guys.
Don't surrender this time.
I surrender. You wouldn't hit. What? And it's a dog too? You wouldn't hit someone that surrendered, would you, kid? Huh? Hey!
Roll it to Eden.
Gotta get away from these kids.
I'm gonna go get mine. Eden, we're gonna roll it to yours.
You wouldn't hit somebody that surrendered, would you?
Get me again. Carter.
Oh no!
You better.
Psych.
Oh, what? Look how she got me. She got me real good, y'all. Look at that. That was a good one. You got me real good.
Yeah, look at Eden, babe.
Huh? That's huge. Y'all building the snowman right there?
Eden about getting her balls together. Okay, I gotta go tell you. Oh yeah. On this side.
Plus, he hit you in that leg.
Plus, he hit somebody hits on her leg.
Yeah, you hit your mom in that leg.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's freezing.
It's on the camera. It's
Yeah.
evidence.
How you mess up my
Let's
skull?
go.
Look at
Let's
me.
the shoes.
Let them see what you did. I was fine until you did this to me. Look at that. Soaked.
Pobrecito.
Potatoes. You'll be fine.
Pobrecito.
I'm trying to figure out how is it that we're freezing out here and the kids have not one care in the world.
Hey, guess what? I want to sneak up on the kids. Come over that way, right? And I want you to distract them.
Hold on. All this water's good?
Yeah.
Sorry. I saw ice on the. I'm like, wait.